In this video, we're going to walk you through the complete installation process of the Nano Line LED channel. Before we begin, let's go through everything you'll need for this installation. You'll need a Nano Line channel, an LED strip, pre-soldered wires, a pair of end caps, a Nano Line diffuser, and a flathead screwdriver. Make sure to use an LED strip that is just 8 mm wide so it fits perfectly into the channel. Also note that waterproof LED strips won't work because they are too thick for this installation. Now, take your strip and slot it into the Nano Line, but don't remove the adhesive cover yet. Make sure your lead wires are already soldered to the strip. Remember to position the strip with the adhesive side facing the non-angled mounting area inside the Nano Line. The angled side will reflect the light out toward the diffuser. Slowly start on one side of the strip and insert it carefully into the channel. Next, remove the adhesive cover by patiently pulling it up. Then, push the LED strip firmly to the bottom of the channel and use a small flathead screwdriver to gently press it into the edge. Make sure the LED strip stays flush, otherwise there won't be enough space for the diffuser. Continue slowly peeling the adhesive cover until the entire strip is inside the channel. You can unstick the strip and redo it if you find that it's not flush with the bottom. Once all the strips are aligned, make sure to test your lighting before installing the diffuser to ensure the strip is functioning correctly. Now take your diffuser and insert it into the channel. Start from one end and slowly squeeze it down to get it in. If it feels a bit tight, use a small screwdriver to help guide it into place. Just be careful not to damage the diffuser or the profile. Don't worry if your diffuser is sticking out the end of the channel. We can trim that later. Continue the process and slowly make a way down the channel, pressing the diffuser into place until it's flush. Here's how it looks once the diffuser is fully inserted. Remember, this process may take a few minutes, as the diffuser is designed to be a very tight fit to ensure waterproofness. So take your time to install it properly on its side and make sure the diffuser is sitting flush with the channel. Next, grab a carpet knife and let's trim down the ends of the diffuser. Just be careful not to cut the lead wires or scratch the channel. Then, move to the other side and carefully cut off the excess diffuser. Let's now attach the end caps. Make sure to check the labels before attaching them, as they are marked left and right. The easiest way to figure out which side to use is just to try out both, since it obviously depends on which way you have the profile. Just insert the end cap and see if it fits correctly. If it doesn't fit properly, you can try the other side. Make sure the end cap fits neatly, just like this. On the other side, we're going to make some holes for the wiring. Take a 5/32" drill bit and carefully drill a hole between these two pieces. Do it as slowly as possible to avoid cracking the end cap. Now, let's insert the wires through the drilled hole. You'll need to pass both wires through the small hole and pull them all the way through. Apply a bit of silicone sealant into the end cap. This will help keep everything securely in place and ensure it's fully waterproof. Use as much as you need. Any excess can be wiped up later. Then, use a small screwdriver to spread the sealant evenly and gently push it into the gaps to properly close off the end cap. You may also want to clamp this down for a couple of hours. The silicone will take about an hour to dry, but a full cure will take 24 hours, so make sure to press it in thoroughly. Make sure to also apply a bit of sealant around the wiring holes to fully cover them and ensure waterproofness. Repeat the same process on the other side. Apply a small amount of silicone sealant into the end cap and close it firmly. And here's the final result. Look how the Nano Line channel gives off that smooth, glowing light effect. Absolutely stunning. If you need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out to us via phone or email. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more lighting tips and guides.